Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Flow Dynamics. In today's video, we will be going through step-by-step process of installing the Eigen library on Linux system. Eigen is a C++ template library for linear algebra, and it is widely used in various fields including machine learning and computer graphics. One such example is TensorFlow. It is heavily used in Google's TensorFlow package. The first thing you need to do is open up your terminal. You need to do this by pressing Ctrl Alt plus T button from your keyboard, or you can do it by searching in your application bar and just type terminal over here and it will pop up, and just open this from here. Before we install anything, it's a good idea to make sure your package list is up to date. If you are using Ubuntu system, you can do it by using this command sudo apt and update. However, I am using Fedora system, so I will instead use tnf and upgrade. So then I will write a password. So nothing to do is because I already updated my system few minutes ago. So the next thing is to install some dependency that my Eigen might need it, like a cmake. So if it is already installed in your system, you can check which cmake. It will give you the path of the cmake, like currently it's showing user bin and cmake, or you can use a cmake version, will give you the version. So if you don't have cmake, then you need to install it. If you are using Ubuntu system, you again using apt install and cmake. So because I already have cmake, so I don't need to install it. Okay guys, now the cmake is already installed into my system. So now let's download the Eigen library. You can do this by visiting the official Eigen website and getting the stable release version from here. So they have the different options here to download it. So they have the archives, and also they provide the git link over here. So I will be using a git link to download this Eigen library. And one more thing, I will leave a link to the Eigen website in the video description below. Once you are there, download this stable release and remember the location where the file is saved. Okay, let's copy this link and paste it into my terminal. Okay, it will take 1 or 2 minutes to download all the objects from the git. Let's wait for it. We're almost there. Okay, it's done. Now that we have the Eigen downloaded over here, let's navigate to the Eigen directory. Okay, now we are in Eigen directory. Let's do ls, and these are all the files and the folders that came along with the Eigen. So now let's build it. So first thing you need to do is create a new directory called build, and then you need to type cmake. Cmake is used to configure the Eigen library. So it's giving me some error, cmake error. The source directory does not appear to contain C. Okay, so I need, first I need to go to the build directory, then I need to type cmake. Okay, now it's working. It's done, I think. Now they have given a very nice description over here, and you may notice that I didn't use any argument with the cmake. So all the files will go to the user local directory, but if you want to change it to your preferred location, you can use it by using this argument, and instead of your prefix you need to write the preference directory. So now let's make it. The command is sudo make and install. So it will ask for the password. Just enter your password. Okay guys, now Eigen is installed on your Linux system. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching it.